TikTok Shop versus TikTok Affiliate. Which is better? Now, these two are different things available that you are able to do inside of TikTok. The main difference is that in TikTok Shop, it's basically like Shopee or Shopify, where you could sell different things through their platforms and you will be able to get some traffic through TikTok Shop itself. And affiliate program, basically, you're a creator promoting the different products. The main difference between the two is that in TikTok Shop, you are selling products. So maybe you want to show your face or not, that's completely up to you. But in affiliate program, you have to show your face. You have to be someone who is active and has a lot of following because you will be promoting those type of products. And there are a lot of different differences. For example, over here in affiliate program, as you can see, you will be able to earn commissions by driving new users to use TikTok for business. So you will be able to get some affiliate links and you will be able to receive payments through your affiliate links. In TikTok Shop, you will be able to receive payments, of course, when people buy your products. They have different eligibilities or requirements. For example, in TikTok Shop, you have to be 18, you have at least 1,000 followers, and you have at least posted a video in TikTok. And of course, in TikTok Shop creators, or similarly to affiliate programs, there are also some differences with the requirements as you can see here. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.